How to check if OnePlus is original or fake. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google and search OnePlus. You'll find official website of OnePlus, which is oneplus.com. Click on that. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines located on top right corner of your screen. In here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Then swipe a bit up and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find Welcome to OnePlus Support. Click on the arrow and scroll all the way down till you find Contact Us, which is this. Click on Chat with Us. Add your email address, your name, category, and simply describe it. Add your model number and then chat with OnePlus team. You need to select the specific reason from where you bought the phone. After that, simply click on submit and they'll get back to you soon. And that's how to check if OnePlus is original or fake. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.